This guy over here is an emperor scorpion. From emperor scorpions are arachnids, which includes the Goliath tarantula, the the Death Stalker, and the brown garden spider. These guys have venom and they have a stinger that allows them to paralyze their prey like mice, lizards, and bugs. The big emperor scorpions have big claws to defend themselves, and baby scorpions ride on their mother's backs when they're born. And some scorpions, mainly the larger ones, are not poisonous to humans.